Hey guys, it's Alicia here again. Now today I have one last Christmas cookie recipe. I thought I was done, but I decided I wanted to do these because these to me are just a classic Christmas cookie. They're a delicious buttery cookie and they're fun to make. You can have your kids help you. And that is for Spritz Cookies. Now I got this recipe from my mom. She made these as I was growing up as a kid. And like I said, they are delicious. They're also pretty quick to whip together. The most time-consuming part about them is using the little Spritz cookie press, but that's actually pretty quick too. First, you're gonna need 5 cups flour, 2 cups sugar, a pound of softened butter, and that is why these are so good and buttery. You've got a whole pound of butter in there. Definitely not good for the waistline, but anyway. 2 teaspoons of almond extract, 2 tablespoons of whipping cream, and 4 egg yolks. And that is it. First thing you're gonna do is put your butter and your sugar in a mixer, and you're gonna just mix this really well until it's creamed. Okay, I've got that pretty well creamed together, so now I'm gonna add my egg yolks, cream, and extract, and then I'm gonna just blend this really well. Okay, I've got that all mixed together. Now I'm just going to put in my flour and mix again. Okay, I've got this all mixed up, so now I'm going to take it over and put it in my cookie press. Here is my cookie press, and so what I'm gonna do is just fill this with dough, and then I will start pressing these onto the cookie sheet. I should add, if you don't want this much dough, which this is a lot of dough, you can cut this recipe in half, but I wanted the full amount because I'm going to be giving some to my neighbors, so I just did the full recipe. So you just want to fill your cookie press up with dough, and then pick a shape you want to do. Put that on the end. Screw on the end piece here, and then that should be it. If you've never used one of these before, they're actually pretty easy. You just want to put it flush on your cookie sheet, and then you're going to just press the handle. Clicks, pull up. There we go. Now we're starting to get pretty ones. And to refill this, you just turn the handle up here, pull back, and it's ready to be filled again. It's kind of just like a caulking gun for cookie dough. And while you're doing this, you want to have your oven preheating to 350 degrees. And also, if you don't want just the plain colored dough, you can add food coloring to this. I'm not a huge fan of food coloring, so I like to just do the plain dough and then add sprinkles on the top. So we're gonna try a different design here. Go with the Christmas tree. It takes just about 2 clicks on this to get the desired shape. Okay, and now since you don't frost these, I mean you can if you want, but I don't ever frost them. I'm gonna go ahead and put some little sprinkles on these now because they're not going to stick once they're cooked. Okay, and got those sprinkled, so now I'm gonna put them in my preheated oven for about 8 minutes to start. Okay, I baked these for 8 minutes and they are done. You want to bake them from anywhere 6 to 8 minutes depending on which shape you're doing and the size of the shape. So you just want to let them cool completely before you do anything with them. And here they are done. Like I said before, this is just to me a classic cookie recipe for Christmas. They are so good, so buttery, and they just make the perfect Christmas cookie. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.